Alright, Glam Fam. So today, we're doing something different. Today, we're gonna do a wedding tutorial. I am gonna be working with Irresistible Me, and we are going to take and try out their diamond hair straightener. I'm super excited about this because I have heard great things about this hair straightener. Specifically, that it is a smart hair straightener. I am also really excited because I'm gonna be coming out with more wedding hair tutorials. I'm gonna also be working with Irresistible Me on some hair extensions to show you guys how I would style them and also how I would personally wear them. And if you are new here, hello, my name is Josie. I'm getting married this year. All I know is that I want my hair down for my wedding, at least partially. And let's jump into this. If you like what you see here on this channel, please hit that subscribe button. I mean, come on, hit that subscribe button. I mean, I'm not telling you how to live your life, but this is the straightener. It is super nice, actually super easy to close, which me being a professional hairstylist and makeup artist is very hard to come by. Alright, so let's read into this bad boy. Some of the features that you get with this flat iron is diamond technology. Also, it comes with an automatic shutoff. I have a very paranoid brain, and that really makes me feel good. It's dual voltage. It has far infrared technology. It is super light, like incredibly light. It has cool tips to the iron. It has a very quick heat up time. The max temperature is 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Woo! Which I will not be using because I have fine hair, but it has different levels of hot. It has a 360 cord. It has tourmaline technology. It's eco-friendly. This cord is super long. It has an LED display. It is a 1-inch floating heat plate. If you look at this here, this is a light up bar that when you turn it on, that's cute. So it will show you what you're at right now. You can actually see it rising in temperature. Can you guys see this? That's pretty freaking crazy. And it's already, wow, that's kind of crazy. Dang! How is that possible? It hasn't even been 30 seconds yet. Wow. Alright, so we're gonna turn this down. Ooh, okay. It goes all the way down to 210 degrees. We're gonna go in the middle, so we'll go up to 350. Okay? The buttons inside are right here. Power up and down. You can see what temperature you're using here in the LED display. I have already heat protected my hair and it just air dried because I knew I was doing this today. So, I'm going to part 3 parts. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go from the back of my ear up, straight up from this part. So this is one section. Same thing on the other side, back of the ear, straight up. This is your other section. So now what you are left with is just your back section of hair. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to section the back section. We're gonna go straight across the back. See that? This is how we're going to continue to section our hair all the way up. If you've never heard of Irresistible Me, they are a brand that is hair oriented and they have some awesome, amazing products. They have multiple kinds of hair extensions, not just color, not just texture, but like the way that they are sewn or the way that they are placed or the way that they are made. You guys really should check them out. I will leave a link to them in the description bar, as well as a link to the flat iron if you would like to check that out as well. Big shout out to Anna. She is the person that I've been talking to with Irresistible Me. What I like to do is I like to just brush out the sections that we now have here. I have already sprayed my hair with heat protectant, but I'm going to do an additional spray on each section to really make sure that heat damage is not welcome in this house. I'm going to take probably about 1-inch sections. Let's do this. So this is what we're gonna do. When I style my hair, I always want the curls to flow back from my face twist the curling iron. One full time is how I get the right curl. And just let go once you get to the bottom. I actually like that little look where the bottom of the curl is not really like curled as in like whoop, but more like just waved out. So when I get to the bottom, I actually let go a little bit. Same thing over here. Rotate opposite all the way once around and just bring it down. That curl is done. Next one. And once again, I'm kind of going for like a flawless, like tussled look. These do not have to be perfect. In fact, I like when my hair looks like tussled and not perfect, if that makes sense. Next section, pinch, turn once, and pull down. The curves of this straight iron are really, really nice because it's easy for your hair to go through this because it is curved at the edges. It makes curling your hair with a straightening iron much easier. Let down this. Always keep the section in your hand because then you will never lose it again and have to pick all the strands that weren't curled out of the curled strands. We're going to find the section where we were. Just go straight across. Again, this does not have to be perfect. So you have this section, just clip this section up, and then you can, you know, take this section, split it down the middle, go to each side of your head. You can continue with the curling process, and this is what we're gonna do all the way up the back of our head. Turn up your music, and let's knock this hairstyle out of the park. I really wish there wasn't copyright infringements just so you could, you know, like see my vibes that I'm feeling right now, but alas, we can't do that. So just imagine what songs that I'm listening to over this time lapse of a hairstyle. To the sides. Obviously, you're going to want to part it where you want your part to go, and we are going to do the same exact thing that we did on the back, just on the side. So we are going to take horizontal partings. We're gonna let them set for just a couple minutes before we do anything to them. Now what I like to do is once my curls have set or my waves have set, I like to just hairspray and just scrunch to kind of separate the curls and not have them so put together. Spray and then scrunch. So see how they're kind of separating now? I like that look. So this is the headpiece that I got. If I can find one that's kind of like this on Amazon, I will link it in the down bar below. But I believe you put it on like a headband, right? A makeup brush. And I'm just going to go along this line, even though this is kind of cute in itself. All right, and then I'm gonna do the same thing over here. Just to where it falls. And then we're just gonna pull these through as well over the headpiece. I really like this. I happen to have a little veil. All right, there we go. That is my wedding for hair trial tutorial, I guess. Again, this was awesome and it automatically turned off, which is freaking amazing. This is definitely a buy if you need a flat iron. You can check it out in the description below if you'd like. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have any requests on wedding themed videos, please leave them in the description down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye! Mwah!